Good morning, everybody. This is Brian with Hollis Farms. Raining and hot this morning. Decided I wasn't gonna go hunting. I still got a couple more projects I'm trying to get done before the weather gets right and start hunting a little more. But got to run down to Jason's farm and pick up an old trailer that had to shoot. Man, we probably had this trailer 25 years. Kind of sat around. I think the tires are maybe close to dry rotting. And I'm gonna take it over to our buddy over at my buddy Rick over at Squared Up Welding and Fabrication, and I'm gonna kind of update the trailer a little bit. I know I got to put new tires on it. I think I'm gonna get him to put some expanded metal sides on it, so if you're hauling something, it won't fall off there, and maybe get him to. Thinking about getting some maybe get some ramp tailgate put on it. But anyway, we'll be down to Jason's in a minute so we can get these tires aired up. I got my new little Milwaukee 12-volt inflator with me, and also got the Syntec little compressor you saw I bought on one of the other videos. Maybe we can get these tires aired up long enough to at least get it to town. So hang on, we'll be right back. All right, I'm back. I had a camera malfunction when I was down there at Jason's. We were getting this trailer hooked up. Let me turn around and show y'all here what we're doing. This is a utility trailer, car hauler, whatever you want to call it. Jason and I were talking. We figured this trailer's about 30 years old. I know we've hauled race cars and tractors and trucks and everything else on it, but it's been sitting up so long. The tires are holding air right now, but they dry rotted, and I know the axles are bent too. I'm gonna go ahead and get a set of 5,000-pound torsion axles put on it. I think I'm gonna get Rick over here Squared Up to. We're gonna take this wood floor off, put down some diamond plate steel, do the same thing back here on the dovetail. Got to get new lights. You can see all the lights are busted on it. I'll get him to rig up some kind of, put them lights in a box so they protect it a little better. Another thing I'm thinking about doing, I'm thinking about getting to come from this rail right here all the way back to the fender well here with a fold down side, put expanded metal across it, so you, if you've got something over on the trailer, it can't fall out the sides. You're hauling mulch or whatever you might be hauling, it might fall off. I'm thinking about getting to set this thing up where you can fold down the side and you can load a pallet of seed or corn or fertilizer or whatever, you load it from the side, but also maybe have a place right here to hook these ramps that are back here, so if you want to load a four-wheeler from the side, you could do that too. Kind of gonna think about that a little bit. Then I'm gonna have him, I've also got a new set of fender wells and fender well liners get put on there too. These are all bent up, might as well start back fresh. Then we're gonna just spray coat the whole thing, the same thing, the same liner he put on the back of the truck bed there. Anyway, I'm gonna get these this is new fender wells right here. They've been here, shoot, these things been here a long time. I'll get them, might have to get them sandblasted or something, but I'm gonna get these loaded up, take them to the shop and get some axles loaded, and talk with Rick and see what kind of ideas he's got for the trailer. And then we'll see what else we got going on today. We'll be back. All right, that's gonna wrap us up for today. Didn't have much else going on the truck. I do have a new tag I want to swap out on the truck. Here you'll see I got a new Hollis Farms and Kuiu decal. Y'all see, if y'all check out Kuiu when you get a chance, that's the gear we wear. You've seen it on some of Jason's videos and mine too, but good stuff. And if it'll hold up to what we put it through all the time, it's really good stuff. Anyway, we appreciate y'all watching, and check out our website at hollisfarms.com. We got hats, t-shirts, and some stickers, and we're working on getting some new hoodies over there, so check that out. Appreciate you watching, and we'll be back tomorrow. Thank you.